Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I will show you a full manual PC optimization that will seriously boost your performance. If you follow everything step by step, you won't need any other optimizations guide. This video is a bit details because I am covering extra manual methods to make sure you see a big improvement by the end. So let's get started without any delay. Step 1. Create a system restore point. Before making any changes, create a restore point just to stay safe. For creating a restore point, then you have to click the search bar and write down again create a restore point, and this is the top of the result. Just click on it and it will open. Go to create option and name it something like backup and create it. Done. Great. Now if something goes wrong, you can easily restore your system. Next, step 2. Check current performance. Let's check the current resource uses. Open task manager. For that, you have to go to the search bar and write down task manager, then click on the top of the result, and then you have to go to the performance tab. This is the performance tab. Click on it and check CPU uses. So click on CPU and check the number of processes, threads, handles, and will optimize everything from here to reduce uses and improve performance. Now go to the step 3. Disable Windows search indexing. So if you don't use it, then you have to press Windows plus R and type services.msc and press OK, and find Windows search services. I think this is the very bottom. This is Windows search services. So double click on it and set the startup type is disabled and start and services status should be stopped. Then click on apply and then OK. This frees up RAM and CPU uses that search indexing consumes. Next, go to disable fast startup. So fast startup can cause issues like lagging. If you play any kinds of game like Valorant, Fortnite, or any others high level graphics game, that can be lagged. So for this you have to disable the fast startup. So how to disable the fast startup? Press again Windows plus R and type powercfg.cpl and press enter. I will write down all comment in the description below. We are in the power options, so you have to click choose. You have to choose what the power button do. Click change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck turn on fast startup and save the changes. This ensures your PC properly shut down and start press. Now step 5. Adjust visual effect for best performance. How should we do? We have to press Windows plus R again and type sysdm.cpl and press OK. Now find the advanced, click on advanced, and in the advanced tab in performance section, click setting and select adjust for best performance. Option you can manually re-enable. Animate windows when minimizing and maximizing. Enable peak, so thumbnails instead of icons. Smooth edges of screen fonts. This keeps things looks a little nicher without losing too much performance. Then you have to click apply and press OK. Now go to the step 6, optimize virtual memory. Especially useful if you have less than RAM 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB or even 16 GB. In performance option, press settings and go to advanced and you will find virtual memory. So click on change, uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drivers. Click on custom size. How to calculate? Initial size 1.5x your RAM in MB. Maximum size 3x your RAM in MB. Example for 4 GB RAM, 4 into 1024 equal to 4096 MB. Initial size is 4096 into 1.5, 6000 MB, and maximum size would be 4096 into 3, 12,000 MB. Okay. Now step 7, disable unnecessary startup program. How to disable unnecessary startup program? For that you have to open task manager, click on startup apps, disable anything you don't use like OneDrive, Teams, Spotify, etc. Less app at startup, faster boot and better performance. So for that I am not using this, so I should disable it. Then I am not using this. I am not using Microsoft Teams also. I should faster I disable these things. You can see. Okay. Now all good. Again, find the status. What should you disable and what is enabled to your computer. So now go to the next step. Step 8. Disable unwanted background services. For that we have to open services.msc again. So we have to click Windows and R, and then we have to run this program services.msc and click on OK, and that services bar is again open. And disable services like background initial agent transfer services. So find the background initial agent transfer services, you have to disable it. Mine first disabled, so you have to need to disable it. Then BitLocker driver encryption services, you have to disable it also. Then you have to find connected user experiences, you have to stop and disable also. Then you have to find cryptographic services, if you not using it then you have to disable it, okay, otherwise don't do it. Then you have find, I am using it so I don't disable it right now. If you want to disable it then you can disable it and click on stop. Then okay, then you have to disable Xbox services like Xbox Accessory Management, Xbox Live Onth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, Xbox Live Network Services, all the Xbox things you have to disable it. Like I am not using it, you can find I am already disable these things, so you can disable this. If you are not gaming with Xbox then you can disable this, okay. Then you will find also the Hyper-V services 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the 9 HV services like Hyper-V services I am using. I am not using actually, I am disable it first of all. So if you want a max boost then you can disable it. This reduce background clutter dramatically. Then go to the step 9, turn off annoying permissions. So for that go to settings, then go to the privacy and security section. You have to disable unwanted options under general. like mine is disabled first, then you have to another speech, mine is disabled first, so you have to disable it. Then linking, then typing, you have to custom linking and typing destination, so you have to disable it. Then go to the diagnostic and feedback, so you have to disable these things also. This is improve your game performance and optimize your PC. Also disable app permission you don't use, like location, microphone, camera, notifications, phone calls, emails, radios. It improves both privacy and performance. Now go to the next step, step 10, optimize gaming settings. For that, gaming tab in settings, and you have to click on game bar, and you have to turn off the game bar, and then you have to click on game mode and ensure your game mode is on, because this is optimized your PC for playing by turning things in the background. Okay, so you have to enable the game mode. Okay, step 11 is disable transparency effects. So in the settings, you have to go to personalizations, then you will find the colors option, and under color options you will turn off the transparency effects. So this is the transparency effect, you have to turn it off, and this saves GPU resources and improves smoothness, especially on lower end devices. So that's it, guys. If you follow all these manual optimizations, your PC will be much faster, smoother, and better for gaming or daily use. And remember, if anything feels off, you can always restore your system from the restore point you created at the start. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.
Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace.